Could you be a full-time vegan? No meat or animal-derived foods like eggs or milk mean that a vegan's diet consists of just fruit, vegetables, grains and nuts.
It's amazing to see how much this cow loves being caressed after a rough start in life.
And 3.9% body fat. This is for vegan gains. Under the shower, full netty swole gains, striations in the shoulders, just ripping it up, shredded.
I would be up for like 3 days on crack and then wake up like, let's go get some wheatgrass, and my man would be like, motherfucker, you need a straight jacket. This is great,
We bow down to offer respects.
Fully topless with leaves on their nipples. This is how silly humanity is. This is very, very important. Nipples are nipples. Nipples need to be understood. Nipples need to be actually understood and actually broken the spell of us being ashamed. Y'all get even. Y'all get even. Yeah, aesthetically even. Y'all come over this way a little bit. This way. There you go. If intercourse is communication between a group or individuals, then what is sexual intercourse? So sexual intercourse, just like when you eat food, you're having intercourse with the food you eat. We are immortal beings. The sperm comes inside of the body and is treated as a foreign entity. When fruit enters the mouth, it's natural. It breaks down and the body accepts it. When sperm enters the body immediately rejects the sperm. You have to be vibrating at a low frequency to get pregnant. That's why when you become vegan or fruitarian, the sperm cell rate goes down. The body's becomes more alkaline, so the immune system gets more stronger, making it harder for you to get pregnant. So if the male is fruitarian, his sperm cell count, his libido even slows down. He's not horny like that. He's not really in his animalistic reptilian brain. He's activated his plant self. He's become the tree. He's become the plant. His higher self. And his higher self, sperm cell rates come down. All of the trees and all of the plant life are immortal and asexual.
If I gotta put somebody in check, last night it happened. Guy comes on a city bike, almost smashes the bike into me. I jump out the way and push him so he don't hit me. And he's like, yo, asshole. And I say, what, motherfucker? What the fuck is it? And he's like, yo, man, my bad.
No problem, boy. Hey, man, no problem. This is game over. Combo, 1, 2. Boom, boom, down. Down, down, fucking down. Down, 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 down.
So like, just attack it. You step around him and grab it.
The only reason why we have fucking global warming is because of people. That's a symptom of their fucking stupidity. People are the fucking cause and that is the fucking effect. And that's what's gonna happen, and this is gonna be the fucking payback. It is basically nature's revenge. The chickens and the pigs, they're producing tons of methane. There's like 170 billion animals on the earth right now. 100 billion animals on the earth right now. So that means they're gonna produce methane, which is 10 times worse than fucking CO2. It's best to just fucking stop having kids and we stop all the destruction altogether. Question for today is, why do fucking cunts care so much about themselves and not anything else? Why they fucking put their own fucking dumbass, fucking mongrel, invasive, fucking family first before the native fucking species that are outside that should have a right to fucking live on that piece of land, hey? That's just a fucking abomination, a catastrophe that these fucking fools think that they deserve to live on this fucking paradise of a planet. They're just fucking idiots. Their kids are fucking ugly, they're fucking ugly.
Girls, you heard him. What vegan birth control method would you recommend?
Vasectomy.
Hell yeah, baby! You heard me, you heard me, you heard him!
Well, get on board. Come on.
Yes, I love this guy.
When you get a vasectomy, no one can take advantage of you. You can even go to a bar, get blackout fucking drunk, fuck a bunch of girls, and you'll never get them pregnant. There are over 7 billion of us already, and the numbers are growing. By 2050, I think we're expected to have over 9 billion, and that's not sustainable.
Hey Fruitbats, so I just woke up and I was thinking about something in bed, which I think about quite often, and that's where the people who continue to eat meat and dairy, even though they know the impact of their diet choices on the planet, on the animals, they've watched Earthlings, they know all the facts, they've been educated, but they choose to continue eating animal products, whether they actually deserve to continue living. So obviously the load needs to be lightened on Mother Nature. What I propose is that people have a test. They need a license, a permit before they procreate, before they have children. They need to pass a test. And that men get vasectomies.
So far, it sounds like veganism is just what we need to solve all the problems in the natural world. But what about you? Would you be a vegan to try and save the planet?